Hi, hello and welcome to Craftmerint. Today we will see how to make clear gesso at home. Most of you might know what is clear gesso. For those who don't know, I will just show its uses and then we will quickly see how to make it at home. So stay tuned.
Welcome to Craftmerint.
Clear gesso gives a wonderful base for your acrylic and oil paintings. When we apply this gesso onto a surface, it dries clear with no color and also it gives a matte finish. So the surface will get slightly textured and all the pores get sealed. So it will be very easy to paint and also we will require only a less amount of paint for doing our work. On drying, the paint looks more brighter also. You can also use this to prime a paper before working with crayons or oil pastels. Also, you can prime a bottle before doing bottle art, then the paint will adhere fast and very nicely to the surface. Now let's see how to make it at home very easily and quickly. Thus we need a container and a measuring cup. Take 30 ml of water. Now we need some baby powder of any brand. Add 20 ml of this powder to water. Now mix well to avoid formation of any lumps. This is very important. You need to mix thoroughly to get a very smooth solution. Now we have one more ingredient and that is PVA glue. Take any brand PVA glue and measure 40 ml of this glue and mix it with this solution that we have already prepared. And that's it, our gesso is ready. You can store it as such in an airtight container. It will last long. It has a good shelf life, no need to refrigerate and all. You can store it in room temperature. The video was helpful for you. Please subscribe and click bell icon for more craft related topics and DIY crafts. Thank you for watching.